Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. Bathi umtimandi umabuyu bambolunye uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na Couple Switching Phones mntanami. We're in the streets of Johannesburg, South Africa, and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger, cream de la cream. Funa wenza sure tell try phakathi. Hey yo Mzansi, I like it when you say it with me. It's going crazy. It's going bananas. It's a Burberry King mtanami. Another day, another dollar, another banger. As you all know, I'm not alone. I'm with Welcome next to me. 2 years of protection. We allow to walk behind the camera. The Zum master. It's Burberry King. Take me straight towards. Take me to the couples. Hey yo boom, it's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. Intwana Kings bathi umtimandi umabuyu bambolunye uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na Couple Switching Phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake.
Yeah. Abola ngifuna lekasi leli ba understand ukuthi nginokufika nezinja zami sobabhulisha nje. Bhulisha nje. Na, ngifika ngiphethe nje squadron sonke. Ya. Uthi uzitshela ukuthi usahamba nalento njana yakho. Ibhurishe nje. Ngani uyangizwa yini? Ya, mangiqeda lapho mawuthi uyagoloza futhi kokhoze ngoba nina niyafeba ninjala ni cooperate ngizwani ke mina neyifebe enga cooperate ukuthandana nama multiple girls ukufebe nje lobo like it or not and you must accept. Sure, awuthemba hamba kanjani mfethu? Kancane mfethu sicela nje ukubuza mfethu. Shwani ngadini ungathuki sisi singabantu aba right ya kancane nje kazi ninjani Showcase my brother Showcase mina igama lami mfethu nguKing yabo Showcase wena ubani mfethu Mohawu akethabela ukuthi ba mama zikona manga it's Lelo oh okay awuthamba ngicela ukubuza mfethu ukuthi uphuma kuphi mfethu iklasi lakho ngqonqo hayi la igoli emakhaya
nathi ngitswa Klexdorp
site efika Klexdorp
Jobetina
site efika Jobetina
Extension 2 Sun City.
Site efika Sun City.
Extension 2 Hotman.
Bana. Muna.
Wancava usomboni.
No, wena wancava. Kokashi.
La ucava.
Okay.
Nakibloma Sun City.
What is this about?
No, sister ngiyaxolisa. Umkhaya wami lo. I'm sorry. I'm going to tell you what is it about. Hawu muna nakitshwa Sun City lina nekitsena sigela kozama kulunga
kozama
ya so nako hayi ko cafe ngida ko di exing kitsena ka cafe ya stop 18 yasibona stop 18 nako dladleng jealousy when sister uchokai.
Can we just leave?
I'm sorry.
What is this about?
I
don't know.
Oh, I wanted to ask you guys a few questions. I'm doing school projects, and from school they said you must ask questions. So, are you guys dating?
Yeah.
Oh, so sending this back as a guy, sister, when my brotherly date.
3 years.
3 years. So, what is it that you love about this gentleman? For 3 years.
I mean, he's cute.
Mama.
Yeah.
Uphethe nje aseBoss Ranta lana, uphethe nje aseStop 18, uphethe nje aseSun City. Wena mama uzutshwa kokaya.
It's a bomb. Zim.
Site efeng.
Bulawayo.
Big up to Bulawayo bafethu. As you all know, this is the year I've been promising you that I'm coming to Zimbabwe bafethu. Kwa Bulawayo stand up, Harare will also be there. Ngizobe ngena kasethu kasi niyazi ke bafethu. Ngiyeza and thank you so much for your support. I'm coming sure. So ke batla utsiba mfethu. Oh yeah. So my brother, straight to the point, wabo. So I'm asking you guys few questions and then that's the questions and then I would leave you. So I want to know, Sister Gutsi, 3 years you guys have been dating. Have you maybe cheated for umuntu wako or cheated?
Why should I cheat on him? We have a healthy relationship, right, babe?
Yes, my love.
Yeah. When I'm now I get umuntu mhlawumbe once iphutha naye.
No.
No, yena kuphela ne and uyamthanda ne? Yeah, ngicela umuphi yakho. Ngicela umuphi yakho umtshela ukuthi uyamthanda.
I love you too.
Sure. I know sengiyantetela man sister, as I said, 2 questions. But ikunento esiyenzayo la actually loyalty test. Loyalty test is whereby we switching phones for 60 seconds. Wena sister unika umuntu wakho iphone yakho for 60 seconds ukuthi a check on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram ukuthi ufletha nabo. Same applies to you, my brother. Angithi wena unankinga ngoba wena mfethu awufihli lutho. I mean now sister, you've been loyal in a healthy relationship, so you don't have a problem, right?
Yeah, I don't have a problem.
So ngicela unginike iphone yakho.
Makuyacala.
Cha yini? Hawu yini wabamba ingane sandla manje?
Enhle ke khot man buyava no ya kae vele.
Babe, can we just...
Awu belitsamaya. Nako ya tsamaya. Sure.
Ono ya kae vele wena khot because no le gona go tatila ke go khona.
No nna ke bloma ye go na le ntlo e khona house e go khoneng o ibona ke re da ko number 82 ya ke ngwenya mention ke go dladleng ke family ya go dladleng.
Can we just do this? Because you don't let me
No,
touch your
check
phone.
No.
Can we do it now? Please.
Please my brother, can we please have a healthy relationship here?
Yeah, I health ya cha baby.
But
babe, what's wrong with you?
No.
Hi, can we just do it?
Can we please have a healthy relationship?
Just scala ngayo.
Yes, but give me your phone now again. Awutaka kanti dintsanga wena mfethu. Ne ke re makazana na mara no yana ke tsebe gore dintsanga wena. Tisa monna. Sister, toka yi. Sister. Ake uchuse, why uri ke uchuse za utaka?
Kutoka utisa vese.
No, ake mara lina king why uri ngapha vele?
No, so ke ngapha, bayicava funa ke mthaka, bayithwaka masana leshaya. So kanti
mona kanti
Let me touch your phone.
mona kanti khona lento efihlang mo phone ya gago.
No, there's nothing.
There's nothing. So why uchugile monna?
No, benda wasikhathi bra.
Sikhathi ne?
Yeah.
Sister, Klaxdorp boys. Klaxdorp. It's about that sounds gone crack on bananas. So thoma ka phone ya gago. Elo ivulela.
Doesn't have a password.
Okay, thank you. Tango.
Okay,
Tango. Thank you.
So
Ke ye WhatsApp ke re bona. So ha ke re type o tla type mo. A go tla ga lebitso la gago mo mplela. A go tla ga lebitso la majita mangwe mo o mplela because majita ao ke wona tla ba jang motho wa gago. Ke tso one tlhaloganya. Sure, I'll tag. Okay guys, my name is King Ginger Cream Del Cream Tennessee King Indlove. We are on WhatsApp right now and we are about to tap the Trandis. I'm with my brother from Klaxdorp Jobetina. Go exciting yanga go to zonung bafethu and ke batla go bona gore I'll tag ka be yona na e clean audience ang. I'll tag on type le ra gore I love you. King sister about who shele wena ba kushele wena.
What kind of a question is that?
Sister ngiyakubuza ngithi kumele ngikubuze imibuzo awu.
ke nafela.
Wena kuphela ne?
Yeah.
Wena utshola kanjani nalomntana ntu ubuya delete.
Nami ngiyakhuluma nyana kancane.
Hawu. Wow, yeah, no ngisho ukuthi uyakwata. Hawu. Delete lapha, type lapho uthi sex. Unokuyicela mara sex kweni ngiyacelana ma sex. Okay, don't answer because
Yeah, vela uyacela imphela futhi check right.
so sister akwazi ucheat nje njengoba umuhle kanje. Abakusheli. Abakuki nje.
Nothing, bro.
Remember your girlfriend.
Wait, we're not done. Type lapho uthi I miss you fucking heart red. Lava bamba. La bamba.
Clean.
Manje clean. Phuma lapho. Faka i-delete lapho faka i-emoji brinjol, emoji pinches, emoji lamanzi athi qwa.
Nothing. Oh my God.
Relax, angithi uvumelana nabo ukuthi
Okay.
check your phone. Yeah. nothing.
Ungawari, thani money, delete lapho money.
Vele ngiyamnikeza imali, never.
Type uthi money. Delete lapho thani morning after pill. What? Why are you crying with God now? How?
Manje uyayingrasela.
No, I'm confused.
Uzoyifeyila le school project yakho ngiphaphela.
Kanti-ke school project sesinjani sesisearch abo. Hayi, no.
Una Facebook?
Yeah.
Sek Facebook awuthi phuma na pum.
Yes.
Messenger. Type uthi lapho I love you, ufake nehathi red. Mayithi no results ungitshele.
No results.
Uyawudlala Instagram. Ubheke lapho.
Really, there's nothing.
Hey. No, DM baba. Type uthi I love you, ufake nehathi red. Mayithi no results ungitshele. Akusheshe ndoda. Wena ngathi
Ma-message akudala.
mara wena awutaka kupa go botsa monna. Wena ka re tshwere gago ke yone controlling relationship o ke wena. Ke
I
mang?
never get relaxed.
O tlogetsena gore I drive vele wena motho re zetsitseng ne. A te grande wena. Wena a te grande. How do you feel gore motho wa gago ke motho re relaxitseng le yena?
Ke jabutse
O jabutse ne. A mpulele yiso re mo jabulise le yena. Ke
yacima manje.
hayi xa ugaya charger ke chori power bank. Why was that so? Battery litle. Hayi faka tsenya dilo tsa gago ka mo teng. Everything nicely. Even Musa can carry your bag for you a little bit so that you are still checking so that you can have both hands. Or kanjani? Yeah. Thank you, Musa. Are you good?
I am good.
So,
Wait. How?
Babe, what's wrong?
Don't tatazel. Wait. Nayi WhatsApp. Mase ngithi type uzotype la. Ne? Makuvela igama lakho la ungitshele. Makuvela igama lezinye ifebe. Ungitshele because lezo ifebe yizo ezobedla umuntu wakho yabona? Yeah, alright, angithi. All right, on my call. All right, guys, my name is King Ginger, Cream de la Cream, Tanase King Indlovu. We are on WhatsApp right now and we are about to type the Chandis news and nilithande ikhosi. Yeah, type lapho uthi I love you. Xoka emuna.
Please come close.
Xoka yi, kante king ka wena muna karwasiya no yana. Muna ska dira jwale. Uska tla go pela gage. Emakamo. Ntho e tshwana ngaka incane mfethu. Ya type ra sister or I love you. Ubumplela gore wa tlhaga o go tlhaga bo mang.
Gona nix da.
Wena ba o shele vele. Macheri vele wa
Banshela vele.
kokasi ba rata so majita vele I blomang Joes and wena o Joes.
Vele banshela.
Wena ka re ke a o gopola. O no tlhole o tla go gae e santsane le Cell C o le monyane. Ke go dlatleng go Cell C.
Ko tenda.
Who's listening?
Oh.
Who's Lesego?
Baby, go boditse show ma go batletsa de relax.
Who's Lesego?
Ai, lentle ke phone ya ka ba hletse Spanish. Listen.
Like, who's listening, bro?
Okay, angicazi ukuthi
Maka a ke rate motho buang maka o thaka. Yeah. A re no go ba ditšhoma o bua maka. Ke mang Lesego?
She's even sending you notes.
E re ke bona.
Eish.
Bafethu wazani?
Ke onda de khale batle bra ya.
Umancane wena. Ima sister sabuka ithombe la nawe. Hawu. Uyazazi hlehla. Hawu woza musuzobuka. It's like when.
Please.
Yeah.
Excuse
I didn't nice sister. Yeah, try.
It.
No. Akiri mo wena phela
Ungazungiphaphela wena.
guys angithi kathi unginsult la.
Mana uzele kusilwisa la na wanga.
Relax sikaqedi ubani Lesego wena.
I wasn't done.
Yeah, we are not done. Yeah, sister delete la au type or sex. Yeah. Re bone gore there's more na. Wena ngathi uthandana ne sex wena Why lo mntana kusendela ithombe ezinhle kanje? Ubani nina lo mntana?
Isimana sami sinokucheta ngefoni yami.
It's sibone.
Ubani uNandipha again.
Ubani uNandipha?
Even one person.
Esho manje
Bafethu.
macala,
Usudla,
nasi-
ye wena usudla umfazi kaThabo Bester wena. Yahlanya ekhanda. Uyahlanya ekhanda.
Lalela
Yazi lemjito ukuthi
ukuchazela.
uzokuthola. Musukusangani.
Chazela ini.
Ubani uNandipha wena?
Asahambe mfethu
Mfethu, ubani uNandipha?
Omunye umntwana so.
Ye wena uphepha uNandipha. Uzokulimaza uBester wena, uzokulimaza.
Ngicela ungangisondelele.
Siswami, siswami, ngicela ukuthi ucooperate nawe. Oqala indoda yakho uyayibona ukuthi confused la.
Asahambe.
Niyaphi? Usafuna ukuyodlala engane still kodwa uyayibona ukuthi uyenzelani?
No,
Can
hot
you
man.
just, okay,
Wow.
it's Mbuzi into one.
Ibuze.
Why are you cheating? Like,
Yeah.
and when did it start? Uqala nini ngishithela kahle kahle because bengicabanga ukuthi mina nawe sishapha.
Ithi ngikhulume vare kuyabona mntana. Lo mntana uNandipha ngihlanganile naye last week wabo. So bengidakiwe la mfethu so kwenzakala imistake nyana.
Sister ungamshayi. Wena seniyadakwa noNandipha nina?
No, bengisekruvini bram so umamzala beyalele.
So you lied to me. You lied to me. Yini wena?
Wena yini?
Wena yini?
Wena? Hawu.
Asikisi masami zokuchazela
Uyaphi naye? No. Siswami relax sikaqedi ngoNandipha nolokhuzana. Yeah, ubani uNandipha wena? Ubani futhi uLisiho? So wena yeah, talk.
Yana ke le bolela ne hot man lesego la ngihlangana like lesego yana ngimcavi. Bonto. UNandipha yena ngiyamcavi.
Umcavi kanjani? Ngikhuluma naye. Niyachat.
Lale.
He's a liar.
He's a liar.
He's a cheater.
No, hot man
Why is it
yina
even
ngathi
safe by the
Awuthe musulokhu
Why is it even-
umumulo umlilo manje ngeparafini.
awuthaga na parafini ki rekile ki tsamali yona every day mo killing thing.
Hello.
Also ngiyona
Can
dele
you
khale
just
batho.
quiz this guy for me?
No,
Eh.
can you please stop going forward to your man because you are fighting and I don't
I'm
fight.
not fighting.
Cooperate.
We want to talk.
Okay.
Can we just talk?
Okay, talk, but don't use your hands. Don't use your hands.
I'm not gonna use my hands.
Yeah.
Baby, ngikubuza kokugcina ubani uNandipha?
Yeah.
Who's Lesego? Why is it even saved Lesego? Why at least you are busy telling
Listen, if lesego maybe that's my little brother like
Stop playing when a pasted.
like serious ngiyakutshela hot man.
your little
Ucela
brother.
umamele baby
You tell
boy.
her ukuthi uyamthanda.
Yeah.
No,
It's a lie.
Yeah, it's a lie.
It's a lie.
It's a lie.
Who the fuck is Lesego?
Who the
It's a
fuck is
girl.
Lesego? It's a girl.
It's not a guy.
No, Ari Lesego
that's
ke
why-
cherry ya ubuta ga gomunya no maka o.
baby bona.
Ukudira style ukwenzislima siswami and they don't allow him.
Hot man imacala.
Okay, sengithule ke.
Babe,
Asami.
Hey, uthe nqa inkosini ake nginike le phone.
what you do to me? Like,
No, baby,
yini
I
into
can't
engakuphi
judge.
yona? I give you everything.
You
Yini
get
into-
shilai every day but yini you see your hands.
Yini wena? What's wrong with you?
Actually sengizokuchazela kahle mase
Oh, okay, uzongichazela ukuthini? Ukuthi udlana noLesego.
not listen.
NoNandipha.
Ngisazi
Oh,
ukuthi lesego ngimyazi.
where's uNandipha?
No,
Where's uNandipha?
Wena-
Where's uNandipha?
Yeah, wena wazi uNandipha kodwa uLisiho umazi.
Yeah, Nandipha ngiyamcava but then into le one
Yeah.
stand nje ngihlangana naye.
Yeah, wena wenza ama honesty
Okay.
nisebenzisa condom. Ngiyabuza.
Yeah, obvious hot man umamzala.
Oh, so umdlile. Yeah, they fucked sister and they used
it.
yes they did it and they used the condom. He said it.
Like we told it.
I'm helping you, yeah.
So that's why I'm thinking.
So that bitch Nandipha usayazi dick yakho. He knows your dick now.
Yeah, he knows it. Yeah, he knows it.
He knows your
Stop
dick.
beating him.
Relax.
You are not cooperating, njalo.
Pelile, I'm done with you.
Yeah.
Here's what
Kanjalo nje.
Yeah, kanjalo.
Who the fuck is Nandipha?
And who the fuck is Lesego?
Ngiyakuchazela man lesego ngimcavi. Hot man wena wayekhuluma wena kantini nga.
No, sengithule ke.
Wena hot man usinda ngalama pounds la. If bank.
Ngiyasinda, angigoqoza phela mina ngisindi indawo mina. Mina ngikushaya manje mina ngiyi1. Ungeza how? Ngizokuyeka nje uhamba nobani? Nomntana asakufuni wena. Ngitshele ngitshele nesister osamfuni lo. Oh, hayi sorry. Ngitshele what you thinking. Vela usamfuna ngithi. Oh, uyamfuna manje. Cha phela decide phela futhi uyamfuna noma umfuni. Ngizama ukusiza.
Mana muzi decide la ngicela ifoni nami sihambe nomntana.
Nihamba niyaphi? Ngisakhuluma nani? Wena inkinga kodwa ucooperate wena. Ngifika
Abantu abadala ngikulalela manje ngathi manje uyabona manje.
wena musukhala. Musukhala. Mbambe musa. Mnike hakhe lo. Phambi kwayo le ndoda yakhe lefebayo. Yeah.
Uyabona manje hot man.
Ya ngifuna ukuthi ufile ukuthi ukufebela lo sister ungawari. Loma usazoqhubeka ujole nalo njengoba knife na. Hamba, mnike isikhwama sakhe, hamba. Asikubambile wena. Ngizama ukukusiza le indoda yakho le ewushiposhi le yomntwana iyakujolela endubhizo. Ngokushaya. Ukube bengiyintombazane sekwena. Wena ukube bengiyintombazane ngiqhumisa ngezimbi impama lezi. Kade ungidelela. Wena ubatla horing.
Na kuyathatha.
Ubothatha yini? Ubothatha. Wena usikhahle ukuyitira majaka thatha mo wena. Hold. No, ke batla go solve ibile. Uyaphi wena? Asambi nawe. Wena uring enhleke. So why o ka re batla go lwana le nna? Okay, ema pele ge. Unuring da. Unubua uring uri ke sinda?
Ya, sinda ka di bonda.
Oh, ke batla uphinde magama awo.
But mana akutshabeni
aphinde magama.
Mela, usinda ka di bonda. Ana batho ba le siko but mana.
O batla go nkutlwa gore ke strong byang mfanaka.
Okay, batho ba.
O batla go nkutlwa. O batla ke go latlhele ka tlhogo mo. O tle tlhogo ke zame. O tle tlhogo e. O tle. Ya ke batla gore motho wa gaga go bone ke go botlola mfanaka. Why o no bua o ntella ko pela tshwera gago? O ntella. Miege hamba o le gwala wena. O le gwala ke o bone. Kae ko kasi.
Basibala ka qava le ko wena.
Ene umqava malume bakha batla o jaga mfanaka. Awunoloka. Ene ke atla ko stop 18 kwale ke tla pakateng. Ke batla gore tlo go ja majaka thata. O le teng mfanaka. O ska mo tacha daimane. Ha go tacha yena. Latela ibile ngwanyana wa ubezi mieke intombi yakhe hamba tabuka ha lokubamba wena mntwana ko kasi yaka tla ubona kasi ne tla ubona namaglera mntwanaka hey musubamba ingane wena bastard ya ngimkhuphisa uyazi waye ngimnyakazisa kanje mntwana yasekasihlami ngifuna ukuthi mangifikile kasi Ari Grootman ya mnandi ke lento engiyenzile hey ngiyanibona nini wena nale ntombi yakho nifanelene nawe Jovis mchovo usirinja bengikhalela nje ukuplastela nje ngeyipini cake vusa ubambelana uzo plastelele nje uboy nje ya inte boy inte wena boy nje inte boy zoshaya wena shaya wena kuthi uppercut kuthi downcut mase ngithi mase kushuba kakhulu mase ngithi Musa welcome ngikhokha amandla ngithi hosala ngeke usenze lutho mabe khona ngithi mpama ngithi ngiyafeba nini mase ngithi khipha umese ngithi Musa ngithi welcome uhlehlo bale ngiyabona nginibuze nifebelana nenziwa yini nithi ngibhema insango nini ningazi ngubani mina niyangithengela bese ngithi awumela ngigqoke bese ngithi ngithi take me home Quzu.
Hey yo boom, it's your boy King Ginger Cream Della Cream intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambolunya uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake